So there's a great feature in Microsoft Teams that you may not have discovered yet. I'm on the training test team in the general channel, and you can see I'm on my conversation board here. This post here I did last is actually an announcement. I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to start a new conversation, and I'll go to the Format button, this capital A here. You've probably seen this. It lets you put a subject in for your post, and there's a few more formatting options. But I'm going to change this regular post into an announcement. So I've typed in my announcement. I can change the colour here if I want to, and I can add a picture. Let's put our subheading in. And I'll @mention someone. Now I'll click to post. It's a nice way to announce something to your team and to make it stand out.